Guys, in just 2 days, everything changes for not only crypto, but the financial markets overall. I need to talk you through what I expect happening on Wednesday. I need to talk you through what's going on the charts right now for the major altcoins and for Bitcoin, my trading strategies, and everything else you need to know if you're holding any crypto at all, guys. So make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end of this video. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it, guys. And what you can see on the daily time frame is that Bitcoin is right now hanging by a thread, trying to stay above my orange line here at $81,700. You can see that on the daily time frame, we have been supported here multiple times. One time, the bulls managed to keep us above this point. Second time right here as well. And now the third time, are we going to also close this candle above this orange line? Now, the reason why we are going down for Bitcoin is because the traditional markets are right now actually seeing more or less a free fall here. You can even see a gap here when we opened up and then straight down. And yeah, trying to get supported here of my, on the traditional markets as well, of 5,560 here. Now, we'll talk about some of the reasons why we are seeing this dump in the traditional markets. But first, a couple of things I talked about in the last few videos. So in this video, I said that during the weekend, the last 48 hours or within the 48 hours here, I was looking at two different things. The first thing is I would look at how the traditional markets opened up, and that would cause Bitcoin to also go down. So this we already have the answer for. So we did go down and Bitcoin has been going down as well. The second thing that I said in that video that I was looking for is if Michael Saylor would be announcing a new purchase today, Monday. And here's the thing. If we look at Michael Saylor, what he posted, he says, needs more orange. So this is what he posted yesterday. And this typically leads into him announcing a purchase on Monday today. Now, if he announces that he used all of the $700 million and bought Bitcoin with all of that money, then I think the market is going to react very badly to that. And you can probably see some more downside here for Bitcoin, maybe even down to 76, guys. I'm not ruling that out. This is the previous swing low here. So depending on what happens today with Michael Saylor potentially announcing a purchase, and if the traditional markets continues and loses this level here at 5,560, then I am expecting us to come down here to $76,000 again. But this is big support, but the bulls are really trying to do everything they can right now to keep us above this point. Now, jumping over to Ethereum, you can see that Ethereum has been seeing more downside here, and we actually went as low as 1,769 here on this particular exchange on Bitfinex. Now we're trying to stay above, well, this daily candle right here is right now below it, but we do have support at 1,807, and then the next one is 1,764. So let's see where this candle is going to close. Now, in terms of the Ethereum whales that I talked about yesterday, they have not yet been liquidated. You can see the position is still open here. They have $113 million worth of Ethereum here on this first whale. The second whale is very, very dangerously close to getting liquidated right now. So this is absolutely brutal. So I will keep you updated on this as well, guys. But these whales are living a very dangerous life here with, yeah, being on the brink of liquidation of these positions. And that has also put selling pressure for Ethereum, of course, with this uncertainty regarding these whales. But so far, they haven't been liquidated. Let's see if they're going to add more margin or not. But I will keep you updated on that. For Solana, nothing new here. We're still above the support at 120. Doge as well. Cardano is going down, XRP, everything is going down right now, guys, traditional markets. And my trading strategies, of course, with the pullbacks you're seeing across the board right now, my main strategies overall has been also adding to the losses here. Although my short hedges, so the short strategies that I also added, the 20% allocation, they have been doing pretty well here. So look at this, my Bitcoin short strategy has already made almost $42,000. 35 on the Ethereum, 17 on the Solana, and 13 on the Doge short here. So at the very least, with these swings, my short strategies are making profit. And then the next time we see us go up, we are going to be in a better place with the positions here. Now, why are we seeing a pullback for traditional markets and the markets overall? Well, in 2 days, it is Liberation Day, as Donald Trump says it. This is when all of the tariffs on over 25 countries are also going to get into effect. This will impact $1.5 trillion worth of imports by the end of April. So this was not the only thing. Donald Trump said different things yesterday that is going to lead into Wednesday, and it was not promising as well. So this is what he said. President Trump says that tariffs will commence with all countries this week and see what happens, okay? So he said Trump also is actually considering broader, higher tariffs. So the market did not like this as well. Also, he is getting angry with Putin right now. So he's not happy with Putin. And so they are starting to get into arguments here. And also, this is pretty crazy, but Trump says that anyone who is buying oil from Russia, they are going to get an additional 25 to 50% tariffs on any products in the United States. And this is because he wants a deal on the Ukraine situation. But yes, he is swinging towards Zelensky, he's swinging towards Putin, and the market does not like this. And also he had some comments about Iran. So if they don't make a deal, there will be bombing, and it will be bombing the likes of which they have never seen before. So he's threatening Iran as well. And also, as a cherry on top of the cake, he said that he's not ruling out actually running for a third term. He says there are ways to do it. So if you were not aware, presidents in the United States can only do 2 terms. It is against the Constitution, like he says here, the 22nd Amendment. No one can be president more than 2 times, but Donald Trump wants to potentially be it a 3rd time. So this is also spooking everyone right now. Like, is he going to become a dictator, or what does he mean with this? I'm just saying what the speculation on the market right now and why they are reacting negatively. So all of this is, like I said, leading up into the massive day on Wednesday, Liberation Day, when all of these tariffs are going to get into effect. And we can be sure that this is not the last thing that is going to be communicated. Leading into this, today, tomorrow, and on Wednesday, expect massive volatility. On Wednesday, everything changes, and we actually see this come into play. So expect a lot of volatility, be careful with your positions, make sure to have sufficient margin to not get liquidated. If you believe that we are going to see a massive pullback, and if you are not prepared for that, then act accordingly. Guys, that is what I got for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.